How to add music on Canva. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to add music track on Canva. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser and then search for canva.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from here you just want to open any of your existing projects, or you can just create a completely new project. I'm just going to open my project right here, and then once it is open you'll have an option to edit it. So go ahead and click on it to edit. Now go ahead and click on uploads to upload a audio. By default it will be on images, so head over to audio, or you can just record yourself to add your audio. I'm just going to click on it to create this audio that will be on this fourth slide. And once you have done that, you can just set a timer to play it, and you can even add beat sync. So once that is done, you can just go ahead and play it, and this audio track will be added. I'm just going to make it all the way through my slides. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.